Good morning or good evening to all my viewers, to students specifically. I'm your teacher Sufyan Mehman. Welcome to my channel. Dear student, this is the next video of number system, second video of the number system. In this video, I'll be teaching you about hexadecimal number system, and I'll teach you how to convert hexadecimal values to binary and binary to hexa. So first of all, I'm going to give you a quick review about hexadecimal values as we already discussed in our previous video. So hexadecimal se murad kya hai? What is hexadecimal? Hexadecimal means base 16. This means that there are 16 digits. Okay, so that is from 0 to 9 normal numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then there are a few alphabetical letters starting from A, B, C, D, E and F, where A represent 10, B represent 11, C represent 12, D represent 13, E represent 14 and F represent 15. So that makes what complete 16 digits. So hexadecimal is all about 16 digits. Definitely computer needs to interpret and work with binary, because binary means on and off. So we need to understand what one value that is in hexa equivalent to binary. So that's all about conversion from one system to another number system. So this video is all about conversion from hexa to binary and binary to hexa. So student, first of all we are going to talk about conversion from binary numbers to hexa numbers, hexadecimal. Before proceeding, keep remember one thing, that 2 power 4 is 16. This means 4 bits of binary is equals to 1 hexa. Okay, you need to remember that 4 bits of binary is equals to 1 hexa. So with this concept, we are going to convert a simple binary number into hexadecimal number system. So I'm going to pick one binary, take a binary to hexa. I'm going to choose one simple question. Let's say 10 11 1010. Now these are 8 bits. As I told, 4 bits of binary is equals to 1 hexa. This means I have to break this into 4 bits. This will be divided into 2 different groups. ठीक है, एक group जब वो 4 bits पर होगा, दूसरा group भी 4 bits per hoga. This will provide us 1 hexa and this will provide us another value of hexa. So let's see how we can convert. So first of all, 0101. This will give 1 hexa value. Okay. अब conversion का तरीका is almost same like we convert from binary to decimal. बिल्कुल इसी तरीके से हम convert करेंगे, सिर्फ फ़र्क क्या है, हमें इसे divide करना है into 4 bits. अब वेटेज असाइन करेंगे जिस तरह से हमने वेट असाइन किया था बाइनरी टू डेसिमल के लिए, तो सेम वे. सो वेट 1 2 4 8. 1 2 4 8 किस तरह से आया था, मैंने आपको बताया था, लाइक 2 पावर 0 इज़ 1, 2 पावर 1 इज़ 2, 2 पावर 2 इज़ 4 एंड 2 पावर 3 इज़ 8. तो मैंने इसको डायरेक्ट सीख लिया. ठीक है, 1 2 4 8. Similarly, for the next number, for the next group 1101, we'll assign the separate weight. Just going to change the color to make you understand. 1 2 4 8. इसके लिए हम अलग weight assign किया और इसके लिए हमने अलग weight assign किया. So अब जहाँ पे weight on आ रहा है, like here 8, उसको ऐड कर लेंगे +2. ठीक है, इट विल गिव यू 10. और यहाँ पर जो है 8 +2 +1, 8 +2 10 and 1 11. Now in hexa, we don't have 11 and 10. So instead of 11, we have what B, and instead of 10, we have A. So the answer in hexa is BA. So this number is equivalent to BA. I hope this question is clear. Now let's take another example. I am taking another binary value just to make you understand. For example, 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 and 0 0 0 1. Now I'm going to divide this into 4 bits because each 4 bits will give me 1 hexa. ठीक है, तो first of all I'm going to solve this one. 1 0 0 1, sorry, 0. So I'll assign the weight 1 2 4 8 here separate. Then taking another group of 4 bits 0 1 1 1 1 2 4 8 सेपरेट मैं इसको असाइन करूंगा. And then the third group 1 1 0 1 1 2 4 8. अब जहां जहां वेट ऑन है, ठीक है, मतलब जहां जहां बिट्स ऑन आ रही है उसका वेट हम पिक कर लेंगे. Here only 1, ठीक है, बाकी सब ऑफ आ रहा है. यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है 8 plus 4 plus 2, so 8 plus 4 12 and 14, and here we have 8 plus 2 plus 1, so 8 plus 2 10 and 1 11. So in hexa we have B in place of 11, 14 की जगह we have E, and we have 1 as well. So this is the conversion. So this gives you the hexa value of binary equivalent. I hope this makes you clear. Now I'm going to talk about hexa to binary, how we can convert one hexa value into a binary value. So that's also very simple. Let's take one simple example like 2A5. I have taken 3 different values. 2A5, this is hexa definitely. तो अब मुझे इसका इक्वलेंट क्या चाहिए, इन फॉर्म ऑफ बाइनरी चाहिए. ठीक है, अब मैं इसको कन्वर्ट करने जा रहा हूँ टू बाइनरी इक्वलेंट. तो अब इसके भी डिफरेंट मेथड है, ठीक है, बट आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू वन सिंपल एंड द इजी मेथड जिससे आपको इजीली समझ आ जाए. तो मैंने आपसे अभी कहा था कि एवरी 4 बिट्स ऑफ बाइनरी विल गिव यू 1 हेक्सा. इसका मतलब है यहाँ से मुझे 4 बिट्स मिल जाएंगे, यहाँ से मुझे 4 बिट्स मिल जाएंगे और यहाँ से मुझे 4 बिट्स मिल जाएंगे बिकॉज इट इज इक्वल्स टू हेक्सा. तो पैटर्न हमारे पास क्या था 1 2 4 8. सो विल कीप दैट पैटर्न फॉर दिस 5 here. Then 1 2 4 8 pattern for this A, and 1 2 4 8 for this pattern. अब यहाँ पे हमें 5 क्रिएट करना है, ठीक है. तो अब हम 5 कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे, 4 और 1 को अगर हम प्लस कर दें it will give you 5. The rest bits are going to be off. Here A means 10, so I'll turn this 8 and 2, which will give me 10. The rest are going to be 0, 2, so only this is going to be on, the rest are going to be 0. So this is the binary value of the hexadecimal. I hope this is clear. This is very easy and a simple way. Let's take another example. For example, if I say 9CB, 9CB, this is another example, okay. So it means from B 4 values, 4 binary, 4 binary, ठीक है. The weightage pattern will be same, 1 2 4 8, 1 2 4 8 for C, and 1 2 4 8 for this 9. So B से मुराद है हमारे पास 11, ठीक है. So how we can generate 11? I'll make this on 8 10 1 11. This will be off. C is equals to 12. So 8 and 4, 12, 0, 0. 9, 8 and 1, 9, 0, 0. So this is equals to binary. So I hope this is clear to all of you. With this, I'm going to finish my class, and I would like to say thank you for watching my video. So that's it for today.